Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the fading effect of our floating accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S22. So we are talking about this button right here. It will fade when we are not using it and we want it to be constantly visible. So we need to go to settings, then accessibility, next advanced settings, and accessibility button options are at the top. Of course, we can change how this button looks like. For example, now it's hidden right here. But if we are using this option, we can change transparency as well. But we want to turn off our fade function. So we can turn it off from here. And that's all. We can safely go back to our main menu or main screen. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.